I'm going to start off with a little overview of the Cloud BI industry before we jump into BICS. So as I'm sure several of you on the phone are aware of, Cloud BI has been growing significantly in the last several years. Some statistics from the market research company Gartner indicate that 45% of organizations run Cloud BI in some form or plan to do so in the next year. And that's up several percentage points over the last 5 years. So what do we mean when we say Cloud BI? There's three sort of main categories of cloud. There's private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. And generally speaking, private cloud is sort of dedicated services and infrastructure. Public cloud is more shared services and infrastructure, where you really just purchase a subscription to the tool. And hybrid cloud is going to be some combination of the two. So as we talk today, keep those the distinctions in mind. Gartner also indicates that up to 25% of new BI deployments, net new BI deployments, will be actually cloud-based by 2016. So really, this is a huge trend in the industry that's been evolving for some time and is really gaining momentum in the last year or so. And a lot of this demand, as we see it, is being driven by the need for departments, especially in line of business groups, to build their own solutions, potentially with or outside of the larger enterprise BI deployments. And then you also have IT still wanting to maintain a lot of those governance and security standards. So that's really where a lot of the cloud demand is being driven from. So then jumping over into BICS. So Business Intelligence Cloud Service is a new product, a new offering from Oracle, a new cloud platform, and it's actually a public cloud platform. So really what this means is it's shared services and infrastructure that you subscribe to. An important point here is that it's not simply just an sort of OBIE, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, in the cloud. But a lot of the people who are familiar with that tool will see those similarities. It's really more of a sort of evolution of that tool. It's a purely web interface application, so there really aren't any administration tools that you have, or client tools you have to have offline. And it's used for data upload, modeling data, and administration. It comes prepackaged with a mobile platform, which is definitely a plus for those who know OBIE. The mobile platform isn't necessarily included automatically, but that's automatically included in BICS. It's really initially been targeted for, again, more of that departmental type of solution. So this is not meant to be a replacement product or service for OBIE or our larger enterprise BI strategy, but it's more of a complement to that. This service is purchased as a subscription on a month-to-month basis, and you see some of the details on what the costs are. There's the minimum of 10 users, and there's two big components to BICS that we'll be talking about today. One is the Business Intelligence Cloud Service, which is a lot of the visualizations and things you see on the right-hand side of the screen. The other is the Oracle Database Schema Service, and that's where all of your data will reside. Those are the two main purchases you're getting when you actually purchase a license for BICS. So where does BICS stand within Oracle's cloud offerings? That's what we're going to talk about next. So BICS, Oracle has a number of different cloud offerings, and BICS is part of that. Starting at the top of this diagram, you see information services, also application services, platform services, and infrastructure services. BICS falls in that platform category because you're not getting a pre-built application with pre-built content per se, and you're also not getting just a pre-built Oracle database. You're getting somewhere in between. You're getting part of the database and part of the content platform so you can develop your own content. And that's why Oracle's positioned it in the platform service.